This Shark cordless handheld vacuum is adored by many of its users, all thanks to its modern, space-saving design and lightweight build that feels premium. We got this one for $90 on Amazon and it comes with a 2-year limited warranty. So let's go ahead and give it a quick look. Welcome to ShouldIT Vacuum Cleaner series. Hello everyone, my name is Ben Nguyen and welcome back to ShouldIT Vacuum Cleaner series. In this video, we're going to unbox this WV201 WANDVAC from Shark to check out what is in the package when you order one online. We're also going to give our first impression on the product's build quality, design and features. So without further ado, so, besides the vacuum, there's a user manual. There's this separate crevice / duster tool for added reach. This sort of multi-purpose tool should be great for pet hair. And this tool holder, which fits into this charging base. The user manual has all the information about the features as well as how to use the product properly, so make sure you give it a look. Now let's see if I can put everything together. When charging, the light here fades in and out and will dim when the power is full. Remember to charge the vacuum for at least 2.5 hours before your first use. Now this vacuum cleaner looks really nice. It feels solid and very high quality. To actually power it up, you press this button. Press it again to turn off. And this is the quick release switch to release and empty the dust cup. From here, you can actually remove the filter. There's a latch here, the orange one. Push it in and pivot the thing. Like so. And it comes off. Very easy. And here comes the filter. Let's see if I can put this back together. Now the included tools fit on the vacuum very easily. Here's how the crevice duster tool goes on. And here's the multi-purpose tool. Now let's give it a quick suction test to see how this handheld vacuum works freshly out of the box. We have here some cornflakes. Let's see. Now the balance and suction feel satisfying when operating. It's a bit overwhelming, but reasonable for the size. And as you can see, emptying out the dust cup is easy and intuitive. The space-saving design and lightweight is ideal to use in your room or to bring with in the car. Aside from the fact that the dust cup is a little small, this is an awesome hand vacuum with solid build and appealing features. But that was only our first impression of the Shark WV201 WANDVAC Cordless Hand Vacuum. If you want a closer look and a more in-depth review, make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos and like or share our videos if you enjoy them. If you're interested in getting this cordless vacuum, consider buying from the link in our description to support our work. Now thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you in the next one.